Hi, my name is Vivi and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Divine Locks before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. Beware of Divine Locks reviews on the internet. Many use neural voices and well, I'm a real person here, okay? Okay, the first thing you need to know about Divine Locks supplement is be careful with the website you're going to buy Divine Locks from, because Divine Locks is only sold on the official website. It's very important that you buy the original Divine Locks product to avoid compromising your health. To help you, I left a link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Divine Locks and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Divine Locks works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a formula with 28 ingredients that will transform your hair. The Divine Locks complex is a unique ingestible that addresses one little no cause of hair loss, thinning and break ages, the dermal papillae folding over, and cutting off nutrients to individual strands of hair. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many women having great results with Divine Locks Complex, and you can have a restoration of thicker, healthier and more youthful hair too. We can recover your self-esteem again. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations, okay? There's something really important about Divine Locks supplement that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Divine Locks for 180 days. You didn't hear wrong, 180 days, 6 months. And if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, but they will give your money back. No bureaucracy. Also, for Divine Locks to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day. The best results possible always happen to those who take the Divine Locks Complex daily. You can see the initial results in your hair in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using Divine Locks. The ideal, wonderful, long-term treatment to make your hair look stunning will be the 6-month pack. I strongly recommend this one, 6-month pack. Also important for you to know, Divine Locks supplement has no side effects since it's natural. So I want to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're going to buy Divine Locks from, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take you seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Divine Locks Complex actually helps you a lot to improve your life and recover your self-esteem and your wonderful hair. Bye bye!